Alright y'all, so today we're going to be keeping this simple but delicious. We are making an Italian brunch torte. For this, we have some salami, we have some ham, we have some provolone, we have some pepperonis, some spinach, some mushrooms, some eggs, and some crescent rolls. And none of this is specific. You could use your favorite mushrooms. I'm using portobellos. I got normal salami. I got some rosemary and sun-dried tomato ham and picanto provolone. But you could do whatever you like. It doesn't matter. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below, and let's get to cooking. So we are going to do this in a springform pan. We just go ahead and hit that with a little oil to keep everything from sticking. And we're going to take our crescent rolls. And we're going to kind of want to push these over the lip. Just kind of seal that up because we're going to be pouring an egg in here. But we're going to want to make a circle. Or the best circle you can make, I should say. Now we're going to go ahead and throw this in our oven at 375 for about 15 minutes. Alright y'all, so while that's baking, we're going to go ahead, we're going to take 6 eggs. Alright, we got our 6 eggs. You can go ahead, salt, pepper this to taste. A little sea salt really works well. If you want a little rosemary, but my ham already has the rosemary. You could do a lot with this. Add some Parmesan cheese. The eggs are definitely where you would add your seasonings. Whatever you would like. Set this to the side, wait for that to finish baking, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so we pulled it out of the oven. I went ahead and wrapped the base of mine with a little bit of tinfoil too, just because we're going to be pouring that liquid egg mixture in here. Now we're just going to take spinach, and we're going to make our first layer. Now you can cook your spinach down first, you can also cook your mushrooms if you like. But they're going to cook in the oven. And they hold their shape and form a little better. But it's up to you. Dealer's choice. Take some of our salami. Take some of our ham. Take some of our pepperonis. Now we're going to take our provolone cheese. Might have to push this down a little bit too if your croissants really rose while they baked. Really going to press this down because we need to do 2 layers. Now we're going to take some of our mushrooms. Again, you could cook your mushrooms, but they're going to cook in here. But if you want to brown them, you're more than welcome. Now, I'm not the biggest mushroom fan, so I'm not going to do too many. Take half of our egg mixture. Second, and just repeat, second layer. So now, just like the bottom, we're going to go ahead do our darndest to make a circle. But you saw my attempt on the bottom, did not work. And that might be even worse than the bottom. But we're going to throw this back in the oven at 375 for about an hour and 15 minutes. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. So about an hour 15. I went ahead about halfway through and covered mine because it was about the right amount of brown. So now we're going to go ahead and let this cool for about 15 minutes at least. You can let it cool longer, but we need to let it cool for at least 15 minutes. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, so it's been about 15-20 minutes. We're just going to take, we sprayed the pan so it shouldn't stick too badly. But I'm just going to take a knife. Run it through. Ooh-wee. Now we're going to go ahead. Take a good cut out of it. Boom. And there we have it. We have an Italian brunch torte. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.